sucker. Okay, so I think I only have like 4 or 5 now. I had like 6, so I think it might be 5 or 4 now. Let me see, I think it's about 4. No, 5. Yeah, it's 5. So I was close, okay. So, let me look over what's in this way, because I don't know what's this way. It's the bird. I'm gonna kill that bird. What if that bird was actually like Donald Trump? Like you can fight it and then it freaking turns into Donald Trump once you freaking like you're trying to spare it, and then like whenever you actually push fight, it like goes white. Like the screen goes white, like how it happens with Undyne's house, and then like it freaking turns to Donald Trump. That's the most epic freaking fight in Undertale. Freaking gosh. Freaking gosh. Can't freaking find any monsters. There! Yay! The knife is way better actually, yeah, it's way better. I'm never actually gonna freaking lose the knife again, but I might eventually later on, like for Sans, because it's only one hit and he's done KO, like I'm dead. Okay, now I think I have like 3 more left to kill. I'm not 100% for Trump. I'm like 50-50 for both of them because, oh wait, sorry, I'm not even freaking on topic. About Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton, I'm like 50-50 because they both have some positives and some negatives. 3 left, okay, so 3 left. Let's do this. Sorry if I sound like all down in the dumps because my voice is like all weird because I just a few minutes ago woke up. It's crazy. But yeah, it's life. One second you're battling a big boss monster, the next you're freaking fighting an Undyne, and then you're gonna be like, oh no, I'm out. Forget this crap, I'm out. I mean, the real version is a bad word, but I'm not saying bad words because I'm good. I'm a good little kid. No, just fine. I mean, I really actually don't say bad words. But yeah, I came up with this crap I'm out. It's basically just freaking the version of the, okay. Y'all already know. Y'all already know what am I trying to do. Oh my lord, I can't find any freaking fights. Freaking fights aren't wanting to let me freaking. Yes! Okay, so here's number 2. So food, then I think I only need like 2 more or 1 more. With this cut my mouth. I love fighting Aaron because he always has the most freaking best XPs. Like 52 XP, you gain 52 XP and 24 gold or something like that. 2 left. I mean, I didn't really just woke up, but I just took a nap and I'm freaking relaxed. But yeah. Okay. I didn't really wake up, I'm just freaking a little bit tired. What, you don't want to be the number 2?
So what's the short answer as to why the pollsters don't have a better track record? It's a hard job, but they're not drawing balls from the urn. They're not getting random samples of the population. They're getting a bunch of people, non-response rates are over 90%, so they get a bunch of people who aren't quite representative of the American public or the electorate, and then they have to adjust the samples.
I'm just trying to freaking find people.
When a candidate is not doing well, then his or her supporters tend to be less likely to respond to the polls. So that exaggerates the fluctuation. In your last point, so for example, right now, a big mob, as Bush 41 would have said, the momentum would appear to be on Hillary's side of the equation. And you're saying, given all the news about that, that might cause Trump respondents to be less inclined to participate when a pollster calls their house. That's right. If the election were held today, I think Trump would do better than he is showing in the polls. And a few weeks ago, it was the opposite, that the news for Clinton wasn't so good, so I think Clinton supporters were less likely to turn out to vote.
Sorry, I just had to check what was going on my notifications. So about 2 more left. I'm hurry up and find these other 2. Then remember, I'll probably cut the video off because it's like already 27 minutes. Freaking sweat, man. My lord, my screen's getting so freaking wiped up with sweat. Sweat here, sweat there, sweat everywhere there. I'm trying to find at least 2 more monsters. That's freaking hard. Oh my lord. Freaking monsters, man. Yes! Oh my god, it's 2-1. Yes! Yes! Okay, I think that's 0. Let's go check, and if it's not, I'm gonna be mad. My lord, please don't let this frickin' crash. As soon as I stop recording on this, I'm gonna get back on recording. Just I need to stop recording this one episode. Yes! Okay guys, well I'm gonna end the video off here. Bye 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 bye.